Okay, so the next thing I want to talk to you about is perhaps your mortar's cracked out between the bricks here. And it's just a good idea to keep a good eye on these. It's rare for there to be a fire danger, but it can happen. So let's say that right here the mortar's cracked out. This fireplace that I'm looking at right now is actually in pretty good shape. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. This is some mortar that I picked up. It's made especially for fireplaces. And you'll probably have a hard time picking that up at your local hardware store. I actually had to go to and buy this. It's made to withstand really high heat, and but it's a great product. If you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, you can always just call a brick mason or a contractor, and they can probably take care of you very well. So anyways, but if you're into saving a little money, you can pick this up. I think I paid less than $20 for the bag. And you just take a little bit on your trowel here. And I'm going to take this and just put it in the spot that needs repair, where the mortar cracked out a little bit. I'm just going to kind of dab it in there. And I'm going to take the trowel and lay it flat and work that mortar into the joint there. And smooth it out. And then you can always come back with a wet rag and kind of smooth out the edges if you need to make a nice little mortar joint. And the color's a little different, but we're going to end up painting this eventually. So once we end up painting it, you can never tell that it's been patched, and it'll blend in nicely.